Y'all, I have put these press-on nails through hell, and it's been 2 weeks of having these bad boys on. No lifting. They're so stuck on there. It's amazing, as you can see. Like, they ain't going nowhere. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly the products that I use, the press-on nails that I use, the glue that I use, the method that I use to keep them on for weeks, and they do not budge. Hello, gorgeous friends. I'm gonna show you guys how to keep your press-on nails for weeks without breaking. I am not even lying. I would not be making this video if it wasn't true. I even put my press-on nails to 10 everyday challenges to see if they could pass the test. And let me tell you, they passed with flying colors. What I'm going to show you today works. If you do it right, they're gonna stay on for weeks. So definitely stay tuned if that's something you're interested in. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get to the method that I actually use and the products that I use. Okay, so first things first, you have to prep your bare nails. That means cutting your nails as short as possible. That's what I like. And I also file down the sides. So I bought these from Amazon, like 15 bucks. Obviously I'll link them below. Buy the short almond press-on nails. These, in my opinion, have stayed on the longest. So these are like the short almond, like just a French white tip, and they look classy, good for every occasion. So these specifically are the nails that I use in this scenario. So first things first, you're going to cut your nails. You're going to shape them into an almond shape. And then you are going to use cuticle remover. So this is Blue Cross cuticle remover. I find it works the best. And instead of using like a metal tool to push back your cuticles, use the wooden little stick that comes with your nails. Let's say you skip this step for whatever reason and you don't push your cuticles back or cut them. You are going to get lifting. That is why your press-ons pop off. So you need a flat surface so that the nail can just, the press-on can just slide right on. When you don't push back your cuticles, that's when you're gonna get the most popping off and lifting, because it's like up here and then yeah, you want it as flat and smooth as possible on the nail surface. Next step, you're gonna use a basic buffer. Nail file works as well. You're going to buff the crap out of your bare nails. That's gonna make them gritty and give your nails some texture. Then you're gonna take a alcohol swab wipe. I also bought these on Amazon, huge packs. I can do my nails forever and ever. And that just removes any oils or anything like that, because we want our nails to be pretty much as dry as possible. Okay, the main ingredient, the secret. This glue, as seen on TikTok. Oh my gosh, this is a game changer, okay? This is the best nail glue you'll ever need. But if you don't follow the rest of my steps in this video, then your nails aren't gonna stay on. So it's not just the glue, you have to follow all the rest of the steps. Okay, so this is called Beauty Secrets. Sally Beauty sells it, but you can also buy it on Amazon. I'll link everything below. And then you're just going to apply the glue to the inside of the nail and to your actual nail. Then you're gonna hold down for about 30 seconds. It dries so fast. Like, be careful with the placement, because if you like have them crooked, it's gonna stick and then you're gonna be like, crap, I have to pry these off. Another critical step is you must choose the correct size of nail. The nail cannot be too small and it cannot be too big. It needs to fit just perfectly. You don't want any lifting or anything like that, because they will pop off if they're too big or too small. So you need the perfect size, and I love this kit because it came with so many sizes. And my dog just wants to say hello. I also used a UV lamp that you can buy on Amazon, and I just did this at the very end, like after I pressed down my nails, all of them, and then I put them in the UV lamp. That was just to make the glue dry faster. I mean, you don't have to do this step, but I don't know, I just thought putting them in a UV light would just cure them and would dry the glue underneath. So that's what I did. You don't have to follow that, but I mean, hey, if you, like, I am the guinea pig here. These have not budged, and I've done some pretty rough things with my nails. So maybe follow it step by step. Now it's time to take these press-on nails out into the real world and put them to the ultimate challenges. Will they stay on? We shall see. can my press-on nails stay on without breaking as I open up a can? A, the ultimate test. Yeah, it didn't even budge at all. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So with the right prep and the right size press-on nail and the right care, you can have your press-on nails last weeks, literally. Like no lie, no joke. I was gonna say no joke, but then I said no lie. It's almost like that Mean Girls moment where she says gruel when she means to say great, but then she says cool. Yeah, anyways. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope this video changes your life because you will save so much money and you're gonna love your press-on nails. Oh my God, I'm so excited. There's so much I can do. There's nothing I can't do. Okay, so thank you once again for watching and I will see you guys on the next one. Subscribe if you haven't already for more videos just like this one. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.